In this video, I am going to show you how to make a shirt in Roblox. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Design your shirt. You will need image editing software like Photoshop. Look for a Roblox shirt template online. Roblox provide these templates in specific platforms. Step number 2. Edit the template. Open the template in your editing software. The template uses different colored sections to represent various parts of the shirt. Front, back, sleeves, etc. You can erase these colored sections to make the template transparent. Now you can design your shirt. Use the editing tools to add colors, patterns, logos or anything you like to the templates. Step number 3. Prepare your image for upload. Make sure your final design is a square image. Save your design as a PNG image with a transparent background. This ensures the background won't show on your shirt in Roblox. Step number 4. Upload your shirt to Roblox. Head to the Roblox website and log in into your account. Go to the Create section. Click on Avatar and then Shirts. Click on Upload Asset and select your saved PNG image. Step number 5. Configure and upload. Roblox offer options to configure your shirt, like setting a price if you want to sell it. Once you are happy with everything, proceed with uploading your shirt. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.